We got a booster bundle. Hopefully we get some good cards today. Alright guys, so inside the little booster bundle, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs of Silver Tempest. We're going to place the code cards down here. So pause the video to copy the code cards. We're just looking for hits. All the common cards just get tossed to the side because we've gone through thousands of cards and it's just like, oh, at some point you can't just keep worrying about normal cards. Unless you're doing the master set or something like that. I like that Pikachu. That's cute. That's a cute little Pika. Pikachu! Normally these have pretty good hit rates, so I am, yeah. Disappointed is a very understatement right now. I mean, we got 2 packs left and nothing, and holos do not count as hits in my book. Now, some holos, should be a hit. Now, some holos are worth something, but most are not. Oh my goodness, another holo. Really? All of our so-called hits are holos? Come on. This gotta be something good. Has to be. Well, there's at least a hit. A poor excuse of a hit. Man, that's what we got. Oh well. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.